One of our EWTN co-workers lands in Rome, and in less than 48 hours, he met the Pope. EWTN News Nightly producer Rodney Harris attended the Holy Father's general audience and was happy to see the Holy Father approach him. He told Francis he's praying for him and gave the Pope a relic badge of Blessed Solanus Casey, someone Rodney has a strong personal devotion to. Rodney will be helping with our coverage of the installations of 14 new cardinals this week, and the Vatican will be enjoying Rome until late July. What a blessing, Rodney, and we can't wait to hear how you're going to top your next 48 hours while in Rome. I heard someone joke that maybe you'll join the Swiss Guard. Well, that does it for us for tonight. For all of us here at EWTN News Nightly, I'm Wyatt Goolsby. We're back tomorrow with more news from a Catholic perspective. Good night, and God bless.